It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
How clean is the air conditioning units in your home or office? And we're actually in the same building doing these heat pump high walls that was on a service maintenance. So these have been cleaned literally 2 weeks ago. We've obviously now picked up the service clean because the owners of this particular business could see the difference. And this was cleaned 2 weeks ago on a regular service maintenance contract. We then take off the casing, and this isn't uncommon. See, people clean what they can see, they don't clean what you can't see. And this is what happens inside heat pumps. This is the casing. Dirt, dust, grime. So we take off all the casings, we go and clean those. But look at the coils. Look at the dirt and the grime that is on this coil. I mean, this is again in an office area where someone's working on a desk right below this unit. And to their mind, it was cleaned just 2 weeks ago. We actually take the casing off, as you could see. See, there's a coil that we've shown 50-50. This is the unit that was supposedly cleaned just a couple of weeks ago. The difference is obvious. You can see right in front of you, there's a coil that hasn't been cleaned for years, and all the dust and the dirt and the grime and the mould is sitting in the coil. And to the left-hand side is after Brian's obviously gone in there with our superheat clean it system. We don't just clean the casing, we get into the coil. And obviously it makes it also run efficiently as well, because some of these coils are really dirty. So you can see there Brian's getting into the coil. The results are obvious.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.